If your Model Y is equipped with 7 seats, to slide the second row seats forward or backward, lift the bar located under the seat. The center seat moves with the left seat. Use this control to adjust or fold the second row seat backs. You can also fold the second row seats by pulling the corresponding switch located on the left side of the rear trunk area. The middle seat has a button that allows its seat back to be folded independently from the outboard seats. To get into the third row, simply pull the release here, pull to slide the seat forward, and continue pulling to pitch the seat forward. To return the second row seats to their seating position, push the seat rearward until you hear a click, and continue pushing down until you hear a second click. The third row has seating for 2, adjustable headrests for added comfort, and 2 USB-C charge ports to allow your passengers to charge their mobile devices. To fold a third row seat, pull the handle located on the inner corner of the seat back. To unfold, simply reach in from the side of Model Y and push the seat up until it latches in place. Your Model Y has plenty of storage space in the trunk thanks to the lack of a fuel tank or exhaust system. It has deep pockets on both sides of the trunk and additional storage under the load floor. To learn even more about your seats, check out the on-screen owner's manual.